INHEMETER 2016 model. We start by pairing. Pairing is whereby the CIU and the MCU are all configured to start functioning or working together. So we start by inputting 59698686, and then what follows is meter number. Our meter number is 37 17 Hello guys, this is Nguru-JohwaTech Electrical Contractors Limited YouTube channel, and yeah, today is a special day because I'm going to do a video regarding INHEMETER prepaid energy meter. And to start with, a keypad split energy meter consists of two units. One is CIU and the other one is MCU. MCU is a measurement control unit, and the CIU or UIU is a customer interface unit. And a customer or a user will use or will operate different codes during inquiry of a token balance or meter number through CIU. The INHEMETER has more than 60 shortcodes, but in our today's video we are going to look the main shortcodes used by the customer or the users. And we start by how to check your meter number. To check your meter number, you input 000, which is 000, then you press OK, and the meter number will show on your CIU LCD screen. Okay, the meter number is a 11 digits number. To check the remaining credit, you input 003 and it will show you the remaining credit. To check energy consumption for that month, you input 001 and it will show you the energy consumed for that month. In this case, this meter is new and is 0.00. Pre-warning threshold, you input 016 and then press OK. As you can see, it is 20 or 20.00. To check the credit recharged, you input 0449. For LCD full screen check, you input 099. And as you can see from our LCD screen, is full. To check kilowatts per hour consumed, or used for last month, you input 02024 For buzzer alarm intervals, you input 0, 1, 9. As you can see, it is 1, 2, 0 or 1, 20. This is for buzzer alarm intervals. To check date, you input 00007 and that is the time you can see from our LCD screen. 23, this is the year, November, and then the date there. To check time, you input 008. As you can see, this is the time, 14:29:53 seconds. To check the voltage, you input 004. That is 239. To check the current, you input 005. So 0.00 amperes. To check the active power, you input 006. That is 0.00. Remember, our meter is new, doesn't have any road threshold, and we input 015. To check road threshold, 18.400. Okay. To check the tariff that you are in, you input 078. Then press the enter key. That is 01. Okay, that is the tariff version. Like I have said, INHEMETER has more than 60 shortcodes to be used, but the most important shortcodes are how to check the meter number, which I have I've shown you how to pair the CIU with another MCU, just in case your CIU is 40 and you'd like to use your friend's CIU or your neighbor's CIU, and also how to check the consumption of this month